Hello guys, my name is Jane and I'm customer support manager from Stripe email platform. And I'm happy to see you on our webinar session. It's dedicated to AI today, yes. Before we start, I would like to ask you to help me and tell me if the video and sound is good for you. Please tell it to my colleague Marina that is in the chat, and she will help me to answer all your questions, even the trickiest ones. So do not hesitate, don't be shy, and ask. Yeah, guys, I will wait for 1 minute for your answer. Yes, and after we will proceed to the agenda of the webinar. Oh, guys, my colleagues are saying that a video and sounds are great. So this is cool. We can proceed. So in this session, you can see how we can create template from scratch using brand new feature that developers just introduced in Stripe platform. This is AI Hub generator that can create template. When you send the request to the generator, it will return you HTML and CSS code ready for editing in the editor using user interface. So, and we will check how it works. It's only beta version, but we constantly improving it. Yeah, and I'm excited to introduce it to you. After we will receive this all code, we will place it on Stripe platform as a template. Yes, and we will craft the text inside copy text with another AI tool, text generator. And we also place text generator in new editor. Yeah. And this text generator will help you to translate the text, to change tone of the voice, and also even fix misprinting in the text. So buckle up, it will be interesting. Yes, and the last point of our agenda is when we finish our template with the text copy and everything, we will create catchy title and preview text that will make your template or email more noticeable in the crowded inbox of the recipients, and we will improve CTR rate. Yeah, so I will now share my screen with the topic and will tell you a little bit more about AI. Yes, because in today's fast-paced world, people and businesses are searching for the new opportunities to sell their products and find new target market and do it faster than competitors. Of course, all businesses now utilizing digital marketing as a tool, and AI that was implemented on the internet is helping them to make it faster. Yes, and changing digital marketing. Yes, and also Stripe is ready to implement AI to make your work flawless in the editor. So yeah, and today we will create template. We will kill two birds with one stone. We will create template with AI dedicated to International Women's Day. You know why we choose exactly that template? Because spring is coming, nature is thriving, but using and utilizing such special events like holidays, International Women's Day, Easter, or, for example, New Year, is straighter connection with your already existing customers and help you to find new leads and showcase your brand values and commitments. Because our template today will be half communicative with communicative marketing strategy and half dedicated to sales strategy, because we will provide the advices for our customers how to spend this day more suitable for them and comfortable for them using our products with that discount, special discount code on 8th of March. Yes, because when you are finding time for your customers and maybe potential leads, not then you are trying to sell them new products or launch new items, but then you find time to communicate with them, to connect with them and to treat them with special discounts and offers when they feel valuable and pressures for your brand, guys. So, and this is what we will do today. Yes, let me please disable this presentation and my avatar, not to distract you guys from the what is going on the screen. And guys, in order to proceed to our first point of the webinar of the agenda, create a template from scratch automatically using our new feature AI Hub. And I am excited to introduce it, guys, and check it with you. So I will just disable my avatar and share my screen, not to distract you from anything. Guys, I will share. Yay. And we will go to my browser here. I hope you clearly see me and see the screen, sorry, and sound is working fine, please. Reach to our chat where my colleague Maria can answer your question or notify if something happens with the stream. So let's proceed. Wow, I'm excited. Okay, so in home, email messages and my templates, below you will find this magic band with the AI Hub name. It's only in a beta version, but we are constantly evolving it and developing, so you can use and improve your content creation speed and efficiency. So now we will check how to use it. First of all, I highly recommend you to click on these settings and upload your company logo, company name, and industry where you're working, also website to this industry or your own website where all your products and cards are situated. It will help our AI to pull the necessary tone of the voice. Of course, you can also put here the tone of the voice, and I'm refusing to use not formal. I will use friendly and curious. Maybe a little bit of encouragement here. And you can also put, sorry, I have not saved it. So, and I will use curious, encouraging, and friendly. Great. And language. We have put and embedded a Google Translator into the platform because localization is an important part of digital marketing and email marketing itself. So if you are working with the target market that is abroad, you are welcome to use our translation feature. But I will put only English language. Great. So if you put, for example, here Arabic language, your template will be generated in Arabic language, yes. So I will just stay in English. Okay, save. Great. And we are now will click here, new AI request. I have saved all my requests and all my briefs in my file with the styles of the template that I will need after to tune a bit our skeleton, so to put some life in it and make it more vital. So I have saved it here, not to waste our time, and now we just copy and paste. Let's go back. And here you need to write what your template is about, guys. The AI main goal is to resolve the issue of empty template. If you have only a plot, like a description or main idea what your template is about, but you have no strict design that you can reproduce using Stripe or Editor or any skeletons of the blog, and you need to create everything from scratch, AI is the place you need to go. Of course, if you want, you can use our prepared template that was carefully crafted by the designs. We have more than 1,600 templates. It's wow, guys, it's huge library for you. However, if you have not found necessary a template that can suit your needs regarding your main idea, go to AI Assistant and it will help you. Let's just put here description. I want AI create an International Women's Day template for our female customers and leads. The email should focus on how to make this day more mindful and emphasize my brand's commitment for caring about my customers. And of course, I want to AI to include special promo code for my customers to treat them. Yeah. And this template will be more in communicative style, more in communicative marketing strategy, and of course, this promo code can bring you some sale. So I will put additional options here, and I will tune the quantity of the template I want AI assistant to generate. By default, you can generate up to 6, but for me, 2 will be far enough. And target audience. You can put your target audience here if you know exactly what audience do you have. For example, females from 18 till the 85 and further, guys. I just put from the pop-up list. Yes, and that's all. Fingers crossed and click to generate. As you see in the mail sequence, it already generated you the drafts of the template, and the main idea of each draft is put here in description and title. Do not forget that we can enhance our title in further session. After the AI assistant, I will demonstrate you AI tools that was implemented by Stripe into new editor. Yes, we're also excited to use it in new editor that can help you with the text. But for now, let's focus on email sequence. So when you check the description of the template and it suits you, you do not need to rewrite it or regenerate. In case you need, please click here and regenerate. In case everything is okay, for me it's totally okay, let's proceed to the next. Let me just check a little bit here. Yes. So, and in a mail structure, we see what possible blocks AI can suggest. For example, header. In the header, we see section name and description, an appealing header that displays the company logo and quick link to log into the customer's account. This is totally fine for me. However, the content I think is very small for me, and I want to extract it and evolve with my ideas that I have also saved here. So I want to create the hero image. So I click here and put the section name hero image plus button. It will be triangle constructions, and button will lead on my landing page where I want to drive conversion to. And I want them to read my articles, my vlog about advices that I given to my customers and communication. So why not? Let's do it. Okay, I'm copying my plot here. Overlay text on the image, tips and tricks for a better Women's Day. Yeah, and call to action button to the landing page. Great. After, I want to create dual content layout with the zigzag structure. Let's proceed. Let's put it here. And description, I want image, I want text button and image that complements this text. Let's do it. Yay. Yes, and here I want to have the introduction of the special offer. Why not? If you willing to enhance the text, you can also use generator. So I want to description of the offer and urgency. Okay. Yes, and Details of the offer will be represented here. So here I will just put call to action button. Mhm. And click on regenerate. And I also want to have a CTA here. Okay. Your main CTA should be clear, concise, and surrounded in a huge space. So, not huge space, but it still needs to have positive space to stand out from the rest of content to tell your recipients what exactly they need to do, and they should understand it. Okay, let's check what footer offers us. It's company information and links to social media. I'm fine with it. And the second template will be just generated according to AI idea and AI focus. We just will try this one with tunes. And if everything is okay, proceed to next. The main idea, design and content. In future, we are planning to expand design opportunities. For now, in design and content, generator have the sequence of blocks for header, for content, for footer, and you can change these blocks and play around them. What depending on what structure and what skeleton of each section do you need. So, and while we are waiting for the generation, sometimes AI needs a little bit more time. Yeah, and we see that content is created. You see my logo, Lotus logo, that I have put to the settings is already formed. So AI understood me correctly. Yeah, give him time. He tries his best. For now, you need to give him clear instructions and use as junior content creator. In future, it will be the best and perfect AI. But even now, it's good. Yes, here we are. So while it's generating, still generating, we will check what blocks header have. I think I'm totally fine with this header, unless, no, I'm totally fine. Okay, here I also fine, and here I want to find the zigzag structure. Yes, here we are. Here I want to just divide my description of the promo and my button, just to make it more noticeable. Let's try find if we have such block. Let's click on content. Here we are. Yes. And click on plus. Copy the content and just find another block. Yay. That's good. So I think I'm fine with the content. What happened? Let's use this one. And we can check what essentials and content they are offering. Great. So subject and preheader, it can be changed in the editor and allow images. Let's allow images. Yeah. Tone of the voice. As you saw, I have put friendly, curious, and encouraging in the settings. So AI understood me correctly. Yeah. And language. I want English language in the my template. Okay. So here in preview, you can check how approximately your template will look like on mobile and on desktop. All our code by the default responsive. So do not need to worry about how it look on mobile. Okay, so now I just want to, you can save and you can edit. I want to edit. So let's transfer ourselves in the new editor. Here it is. Yay! Fantastic. So, and we will start tune a little bit our template to put some life in it. Okay. Let's add hero image. Yeah, and reduce paddings. And here we see headings and description, and here discover now. This is connected to the, here you can put the link to your um, landing page with the articles. It just put my link. I've put to the settings of the AI. You can also short a link by your connection to Bitly. We also offer in this integration. So discover articles. Yeah. So, and text. What about text? For me, it's too long. So I would rather shorter it with my AI assistant. Guys, there are a lot of debating between AI writing and human writing because both of the ways have their advantages and weakness. For example, human writing can be more genuine, more personal, have a personal experience inside it, and more unique. However, the text can be defined by the skills of the writer, but AI, in its turn, can write you more fast, more smooth, and consistent, and within a second. For example, click on Improve with AI and make this text shorter. And it will shorter the text wherever you need. Of course, our AI assistant can even add emoji and translate chunk of the text. Let's check how it translates. For example, French language. Yes. So, and we can also fix grammar. But please be careful that minuses of such content creation, copy creation with AI, can be found in spam filters of some email clients. They can detect that it's spam. So please consider to do two minimum tunes for the generated text. Yes. However, please use and check AI feature on the text block because you do not need laboriously search by synonymous on the internet and necessary sentences to pass your thoughts into the text because AI can do it for you. Great. Let's proceed to our zigzag structure. Let's put here some images. Yes. And we see that blocks are not even. Let's make it more even. Mhm. And this block also. Okay, this text we also can make more longer and change tone of the voice to curious, because message that evokes curiosity keeps retention better. Yeah. And here we are. By the way, our AI can also generate the text. For example, here we have dropped text block and in AI or random text paragraph. For example, this one. Quantum mechanics. Why not? Okay, friends, let's delete it and make content a bit longer. Yeah, I think it's a little bit too long, so we can tune it here. Like this. You can even change the containers, swap it here. And this feature was not available in old editor. However, our new one is more flexible for your styling. Okay, guys, let's proceed to the structure where we are providing the coupon code. Okay, let's add background image and play with timer a little bit. Yeah, we do not need to save this text necessarily. I just put it to reveal all the background image. Let's just change the font color to white. Everything will be white. And this text will be white. And let's drop the timer. Finally, we have a timer in your editor. Yeah, and I hope you're excited about this. Let's set the time dates. I want to have an end date as 8th of March, end of the day. Let it be 59. And time zone, let it be US Hawaii. Put the link to the site where your products are selling. You can choose the letter case, but I will leave it small. Put separator here. I will just delete any separator. And let's go to the style and style this block, because you see the misadjustment. The background color of the image is turquoise, and or even light blue or dark blue, guys. And this background color of the timer is white. So what should we do? I would show you the trick. I have already uploaded this image into the third-party resource. This color style right here and here. And we can create illusion of transparency. Let's do it. Yeah, so it matches our background, but we have a dilemma. It covers our flower. What should we do? We need to click on it open code and find the background color. Timer block will be transparent. Do not forget about this tricky button. Apply to the code. Great job. And let's improve the digits look alike. Yeah. And let digits be white and label will be white to match our design. Great. And let's just change maybe to Cosmic Suns to check now. Let's leave it on Arial. We can put the link to our website, put the alternative text for a timer because timer is a div image. Make it bold also. And add expirational image. Expiration image will be visible when the timer will go to the 0. So in order your recipients to see not the broken image, you can put here any image, for example, this one, expirational image. Yeah, so I think it looks fine. Timer. Just maybe we will increase a little bit the space between the timer. That's great. So, and here I will delete the text and just leave apply promo code. You can even copy the promo code that our AI generator have created for you. It's put it on 2024. Let's change it on 25. And let's add some background color. I think we should add this background color. It's more calmly for the design to all template. Yeah, like this. And of course, we will align all our button to this button color. Let's copy it and come back to our template, to the buttons section. Here we are. And we will put button here. Great. So what we have here, yes, we will just change also background color to this one. And change the logos to the gray one. And delete X. So, yeah. And you can increase icon size according to your preferences. So you see, in the few minutes, we have created skeleton from the scratch. And it looks more or less professional. Yeah. So we will also change the styles of this menu block here with this color. And we are ready. You can tune this template wherever you like. You can tune all 6 templates, save it as a template, and make email from them. Yes, the AI generator is will resolve your will resolve your issue with the time. So you do not need to assemble the brand new template from the blog from zero, from scratch. So I'm encouraging you to try email generator AI assistant after this session, and I would be grateful for any feedback you can give us in the comments to this video or to our email. Please check the description of this video and you will see email of the Striper support team. So all your feedbacks are extremely valuable for us because we are still developing this AI assistance, its beta version, and your marks and your feedbacks will be helpful for us in order to develop and improve this tool just for you. So yeah, also we are waiting for your feedbacks when you're using AI tool. By the way, AI is not embedded by default. I will show you the settings of the project where you can find it. I will just open the new tab. And here in the settings to the project, my project is webinars, and I have artificial intelligence. By default, this artificial intelligence is disabled. So you need just to enable everything, improve subject lines and header preheater, and AI assistant for text block, AI assistant for smart modules. So you're welcome to use it. You can put some information about company occupation here, and you will give AI understanding what area of business you are working with. So, yeah. Our AI hub is also reusable. When you will create a template, here in design and template, you will see all the templates and content even. Uh, in the content, you see JSON file that AI assistant have extracted from your request. So you see it generated promo code, it generated title, description, information about your company, and social media links here. And if the, for example, social media links have been changed, you can save this JSON file, change it manually, and after input it here, and the system will regenerate everything. Yes, so keep in mind that it's also reusable. Yeah, so after we finished to tune our template, we know that we need to boost our open rate. Yes, because everyone and their mother knows that good subject line is the key to be noticed in overloaded email box of your customers and future leads. Because a good subject line gets attention and increase open rate, of course, what we need, and it engages mobile users. Because if you have appealing short title that catches the recipient, and a recipient is using mobile phone to open emails, strong but short title will help you. Okay, so how to create title? Because I know that for marketers, it's a not only for marketers but also for person who layouts the content to come up with strong title. It's not easy, and we also created the tools that will help you, and they are here. Here you see subject and title generator and hidden preheader generator. So you can just put the ready title, or you can use our AI. For example, here my title, and I will put it, Celebrate Women's Day with Exclusive Savings. For me, looks a bit dry, so I will lean on the generator to improve it with Cialdini's principles of persuasion. According to Cialdini's uh, idea and according to his experience, the these principles, for example, social proof or liking, will influence on the buying behavior of your customers. So if we have such tool of influence, we should, I think, use it. So I will use commitment and consistency or liking. I think it's better liking. And here we are, we have AI response. Let's check the commitment and consistent. Or we can use scarcity. Yeah, I think it most. Okay, and I want to add emojis. Mhm. And we may translate it, we may also change tone of the voice, or we can generate the title based on the content. If you have no any ideas for title, you can hit this button, generate based on the content, and do it. So preheater, we will also generate based on the subject line. Yes, and we click to use. If you do not like it, you can regenerate. For example, like this. Exclusive strategic event. Enjoy unique offers for game-changing email marketing boost. I think we should better generate according to the subject and title. And let's translate it to English. Let's translate it. Sorry, I think we should clean the cache. Sometimes all my issues is connected with the cache of the browser because it's tired. We need to help him. Okay, give me a minute, please. Yay, guys, we have it. We got it. Let's make it longer, for example. Mhm. And if you do not like the content that our AI generator done for you, you can use your own. For example, like this. Just copy title, put in the preheader, click on AI and improve with Ciardini principle liking. Yes, let's use it. And in this way, you can improve your title and preheader preview text. But even if you are not working in Stripe or profile, for example, you have no your profile yet, or you are not still a user, or you do not need to log in, you do not want to log in, you can proceed to our website in the product section and find helpful tool. Look how many helpful tools for you guys we have. We have also AI subject line generator. For my opinion, it's even more powerful. Yeah. And for example, signature generator, promo annotation generator, my one of my favorites, calendar holiday for marketers. But also I'm using it all the time. Okay, guys. So here you can put your title. Let's just copy it. Yes, and pick a style. Let's pick a question because people like to answer the question. This is our human nature, guys. And um, title case, I will leave a sentence case. Use emoji, of course, and language. Language is English. Let's generate, guys. Keep fingers crossed. Wow, what we have? We have here the generated options with title and hidden preheader. And we also have a characters here. Do you remember I've talked to you about titles that is suitable for mobile? So check what devices your customers are using most and also align your characters accordingly. So you see here. You can also preview, but please be advised that the width of the device, wherever it's tablet, wherever desktop with different width, and with different mobile screens, it will look differently. Please keep it in mind. Yes, and let's go. It's previewing everything. We can copy line, copy preheader, copy all, or we can improve. And we can improve it with the tone of the voice of Tordini. Let's improve it urgent plus action. Yeah. And rewrite with numbers. So when you add some numbers in the title or in the text or some statistic data, it helps you to look like more legit and adds you authority. So yeah, we can also turn it to the question or add how to. But I will stick to numbers. And maybe value and benefit. Value and benefit, I think it will be good. Add numbers. Awesome. So yeah, now we have our title and hidden preheader. So guys, yes. And here you can choose from the options that was given to you by our generator. Here you can copy and here you can improve it. Or you can always tell us what to do by writing your suggestions. So it's only your fantasy and imagination. Guys, great. So I think we have done a good job. We have generated email from scratch. It looks fine on mobile. However, you see that text a little bit is not aligning. So our new editor has mobile alignment and desktop alignment. And we can use and utilize it to adjust any chunk of the content. It's very flexible. Let's do it. Great. I think we still need to change the text size on mobile. Yes. And preview. For me, it looks good. What do you think about our template? Guys, I have no any designer's skills. I'm just did it with AI and with my own imagination. So you're welcome to check all our AI feature. I hope it will smooth your creation process. You do not need to spend a lot of time by assembling our blocks. Every blocks that you can create from scratch can be saved as a modules. In our modules library here, you will see our modules list, and according to the filters, you can find needed one for you and also save yours, guys. So, and I will wait for your questions now. If you have any questions regarding the AI work, or if you have already checked AI work and have a suggestions, you're welcome to leave it in the chat or leave in the comments. And also please guys, share this video with your colleagues. that also struggling with a lack of time. Yeah. So just wait for 2 minutes for your comments. I see no one is asking the questions anymore, and I think we are ready to wrap up. We are doing webinar sessions every single month, so we are grateful that you are here with us and spending your precious time to listen to us and to connect with us. So we are waiting for your feedbacks. Please write us on email. It's in description to this video, and we will talk to you soon in the next session. So bye bye, guys. I'm Jane, I'm customer support manager, and I will be happy to see you next time.